Welcome back to the third stage in establishing your Pinterest Plainsman portfolio. I am already logged back in and ready to go today. You will notice that our blank slate of Pinterest is already suggesting some things based upon how I've answered already. So our objective today is to establish the bones of what your Pinterest account is going to be, because we are going to all have certain boards and we're going to all use this for kind of academic and progress monitoring purposes. So we want to establish what the structure of your Pinterest account will be like for the time being. So we all do this together today, and then we will have a blast off of how you're going to individualize your particular Pinterest portfolio. You will use this to kind of highlight things for yourself, for your advisor, and your parents. This will be a major tool in our parent-teacher conferences. So if you would go up to the person icon, I haven't yet established my photo yet. That will happen in a little bit. So I'm going to left click on that, and it takes me to my portfolio. All right, so first things first, I'm going to have you go over to the little pencil to edit, and you'll notice that this is my basic profile information. About your profile, all I would like you to do is put member of the class of, and then whatever your graduating class is going to be. So hypothetically, I'm going to say, since I'm an 8th grader, I will be graduating in, let's do the math, it would be 2025, okay? And I'm going to click done. And as I think about 2025, that gives me an idea of how many years and how many semesters of school I will be using this Plainsman portfolio to monitor my progress and see how my goals get accomplished, see how my goals change, and be able to set some short-term and long-term goals to monitor my accomplishments. Okay, so I go over to the person again, and I'm going to make sure I am clicked on boards. So that's highlighted in black, and as soon as I click on it, I will see a plus sign over here. Okay, please click that plus sign, and I am going to create a board. The name of this board is going to be 9th grade. Okay, and I am going to go ahead and hit create. Okay, it's going to want me to create some pins, but I'm not ready for that yet. Now I am going to go back to my profile photo, and I am going to click on boards, making sure the plus sign's available, and I am simply going to create 10th grade. And I'm going to hit the red create. Again, it wants me to create some boards, but I'm going to pass on that right now. I go back to my person icon. I will create a board. 11th grade. I think you're catching on to this now. I create. And I go back for one more board for today. Oops, I need to make sure I go back to my profile photo. And I will finish this part by making a 12th grade, and I will create. Okay, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll click back on my person, and I am now going to see how I have a blank slate of 12th grade, 11th, 10th, and 9th, and this is the framework for my portfolio, and it will also be a very good platform for me to monitor over time what I am submitting and what I'm going to prioritize for my life as a Belle Plaine High School student. So the clean slate is set, and in the future instructions, you are going to establish some pins within those boards. Stay tuned. It's going to get even better.